Hey guys, it's Kevin at Watchhimtrade.com here getting ready for the week of trading May 4th through, I don't know, May 8th, I think. Anyways, Bulls versus Bears outlook. So last week, market came in just underneath all-time highs around 2120. Had a weird week. You went down below 2100, which was my level that I said was kind of a line in the sand. Hit 2077, recovered all the way to 2108, ending up down about 10 points on the week. Had a tough decision, did I want to be bullish, did I want to be bearish? At one point, looked like I'd be putting on a Bears jersey for this video, but Friday, the turnaround, the rally, very impressive. And yes, the Kirk Heinrich bull market lives on. Not too good to get starters minutes, but not too bad to fall out of the rotation. The one thing I do want to point out, though, is 2100 did give a good reaction lower. When we came below 2100, you dropped 20 points, so that was a good short trade, but it wasn't a trend trade, all right? It was a short and cover on the low, and, then we bounced back up nicely. So we're still not seeing any downtrend developing at all. Granted, the uptrend move, I thought we were done with tests below 2100. That didn't happen though. So, I guess we're still kind of churning around. I'm not super excited about this market to the upside, but the bottom line, as I mentioned last week, I'm not putting on a Bears jersey until I see sustained price movement to the downside, and I just continue to not see that at all. The Bears had a great chance this week. They could have closed this thing in the 2060s after what was either Wednesday or Thursday's move, but they didn't do it at all. Instead, the Bulls came right back out and took things higher, even as momentum names like LinkedIn and Twitter got absolutely destroyed. You had Amazon gap fill, you had Google give up its earnings move, you had Apple flush out 7% down to 125, but all of those names, except for LinkedIn and Twitter, recovered, and technology is still extremely strong in the NASDAQ. You're right around 5,000 in the NASDAQ, and that's the tell that I'm watching for. NASDAQ 5,000, guys. A couple weeks ago, we voyaged above 5,000, couldn't stay above it, ended up getting some nice sell-offs down in the 4,800s on the NASDAQ, which also helped the S&P come down towards that 2040 low. Well, guess what? Over under 5,000 trade on the NASDAQ. As long as you stay above 5,000 or around 5,000, then this market wants to go higher. It might not want to shoot its way higher, but it's going to grind its way higher like we've seen so far this year. Hard to believe we're 4 months in and you're up a little bit, but it certainly doesn't feel like it. But that is the sign of a strong market in my eyes. So not until we really confirm below 2,100 can I put that Bears jersey on. And this week's low, 2077, I'm just calling it 2075. Watch that as a key support level. If you can break down beneath that, then that's where I start to think the Bears are finally going to get something done. They've been playing just like the team that plays a little bit away from me here. They look okay sometimes, they get your hopes up, and then by the end of the season, you got Jay Cutler playing quarterback, Mark Trestman the coach, and they get out of here. And now we're back above 2,100. So still not putting my faith in the Bears, not until I see a consistent win streak, and I don't think you should either. So good luck this week. I'll check back in same time, same day, next Sunday. Take care, guys. Thanks.